Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and I'm very excited that Madison REIA has asked me to put on a very special workshop on private money. For those of you that don't know me, I'm known as the guy that's cracked the code on finding private lenders to fund your real estate deals. It's going to be June 19th, as you can see there, and from 9 to 1, there's the link to get to the website. Imagine the day you no longer will be begging for money to fund your real estate deals. Let me show you the benefits of getting private lenders. Number one is unlimited funds. You're unstoppable once you learn the techniques from me. Speed to buy. In fact, you can get an offer on a Monday and own the property on a Friday, all because you've got private lenders funding your deals. Cash flow on that contingency money that you see there, that's when I borrow extra. In fact, every time I buy a property, I borrow extra money in case I run into a problem. Imagine that. And if you don't use it on the property, it's early profit. And there's no monthly payments on some deals if you so desire, and I'll show you how to do that. And you get to make the rules, the funding rules, rather than somebody else. There's no credit checks. It saves you money. You make more money. It's flexible. For an example, most people pay their mortgages around the first of the month. Well, if you got tenants, sometimes they're late. That puts you in a bind. How about if we just put that date out to the 15th, or actually any date you want in a month with the private lender, and they're happy to do it. And you could do deals that you couldn't do any other way. I've saved a lot of deals that I couldn't have done unless I had private money. You get some of your profit when you buy. It's cheaper than having a partner. You can fund the purchase of defaulted paper. You got two streams of income if you so desire. And some of the compelling reasons, it's the best, easiest, cheapest, and safest way to fund your real estate deals, and that's exactly what I'll talk to you about on Saturday. June 19th, 9 to 1. It's all virtual. Join me. You got everything to gain. Go out there and sign up right now to your wealth.